The air fryer is essentially a fast and furious countertop convection oven. It doesn't actually fry your food but cooks food with hot air and little or no oil. There are various foods that were conventionally deep fried before but now that can be air fried. A number of next-level air fryers are available and you can purchase one from the given list of Best Air Fryer 2022. These air fryers can air fry from simple French fries and homemade snacks to beef steaks and chicken wings. The use of air fryers is easy and healthier as compared to deep frying is the reason air fryers got a lot of popularity in past years. Multiple brands market the best air fryers and one of such brands is COSORI. COSORI air fryer makes its place in the market and introduces recognized models of the air fryers. COSORI Dual Blaze 6.8 Quart Air Fryer. Manual control by selecting the setting on display of air fryer. Patented 360 ThermoIQ Technology. Enjoy full control of your air fryer through the FRYER app. Use the FRYER app to scan multiple types of frozen foods for easy-to-follow cooking instructions and to view your food's nutrition facts. Access unlimited recipes with 12 one-touch cooking function. Precise temps prevent overcooking. Heating adjusts for a true air fry, bake, toast, and broil. How to use COSORI air fryer. How to use COSORI air fryer. The FRYER app lets you control your air fryer remotely, monitor cooking progress, and activate voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless cooking. Get inspired with hundreds of creative and easy-to-follow online recipes from our professional COSORI chefs. How to clean COSORI air fryer. COSORI claims a new era of air fryer with its innovative COSORI Dual Blaze. Moreover, COSORI Dual Blaze Best Air Fryer 2022 can be used for baking pizza. For preparation of fun foods for kids to love their meal. Can make individual cookies or personal-sized ramekins of brownies. From donuts to cinnamon rolls, brownies to air fryer cake, apple fritters to jelly donuts, you can enjoy anything at home with the help of this COSORI Dual Blaze Best Air Fryer 2022.